His family now live with the shame. He loved inflicting pain, but the police shut down his tyrannical reign. You left behind a step-by-step plan, detailing the murders, you idiot of a man. Thought you were so smart, thought your killings were art, tore apart so many families' heart. But revenge is coming your way. Get used to defeat, it's here to stay. Tyrannosaurus Rex, your time has come to an end. No one will step up and your name defend. Everyone hates you, oh yes it's true. Pathetic Rex, now what will you do? Your blueprint for murder is now known. Pain and misery is now all that you own. A giant of a man at 6'5", but a tiny loser you are in your life. How cowardly you have to be, terrorizing the vulnerable. Your cowardice is now seen. Tyrannosaurus Rex, your time has come to an end. No one will step up and your name defend. Everyone hates you, oh yes it's true. Pathetic Rex, now what will you do? What were your parents thinking when gave you your name? If they love you are now, they'll feel nothing but shame. King of reptiles, a slithering snake, crush you under our foot, whatever it may take. Tyrannosaurus Rex, your reign is done. The legacy of the victims you claim. Yeah, guess what? They won. The want, the venge, the way. What you want, what will you do? Oh you, oh yes it's true. Pathetic Rex, now what will you do? Yeah, yeah. What were your parents think your reign is done? The legacy of the victims you claimed. Yeah, guess what? They won. The want, the revenge, the way. What will you do? 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 Rex, that was his name. His family now live with the shame. He loved inflicting pain, but the police shut down his tyrannical reign. You left behind a step-by-step plan, detailing the murders, you idiot of a man. Thought you were so smart, thought your killings were art, tore apart so many families' heart. But revenge is coming your way. Get used to defeat, it's here to stay. Tyrannosaurus Rex, your time has come to an end. No one will step up and your name defend. Everyone hates you, oh yes it's true. Pathetic Rex, now what will you do? Your blueprint for murder is now